Recently, I've made some bad decisions. I've made some friends that turned out to be not the kinds of friends that I wanted. Some of these friends lied to me and hurt me. I asked myself, how can I make better choices when choosing friends? And how can we know when we're making good choices at all? So I sat down and asked myself, where did I go wrong? And how can I do better? And this is the answer that I came up with. A good choice is a choice that lines up with the information that you have available, with the reality that you have available. Let's use a fishy example. Let's pretend there are two groups of fish swimming in a river. The water in rivers always flows downstream. A group of fish swimming downstream with the stream, with the water. The second group of fish is swimming against the stream, up. Which group of fish do you think will swim faster? Have you thought about it? You're right, the one swimming downstream, the one swimming with the river. Because swimming with the stream makes you go faster, like when you're running with the wind or running down a hill. Swimming against the stream is like running uphill or like running into the wind, when the dirt hits you in the face and it slows you down. So let me bring this metaphor back to reality. Swimming with the stream is like living a life that is in line with reality. And what is reality? Reality is the truth. Simple. So when you're in line with the truth, life is easier. And the truth actually exists in two places. The first kind is objective truth, outside truth, facts. And the second kind is subjective truth, the truth that only you can feel, your inside truth. And while both are very different, both are also very important. Let's talk a little bit more about outside truth. Outside truth is whatever really happened. Actions, events, things you can count and quantify. In my example, I had actually caught these friends lying, so that was now outside truth. So, why do we ignore the truth? I guess that's the question. I ignored it because I fell in love with the narrative. I fell in love with the story of an idea where I have friends that never lie to me. Instead of being neutral and looking at the facts, I swam against the stream because I wanted to believe all my friends were cool all the time. It was like I wanted to eat an apple, but I was given an orange. But instead of just looking at this orange and treating it like an orange, because I wanted to eat an apple before, I bit into it as if it was an apple, but it was an orange. Ignoring the reality that you are holding an orange, pretending it's an apple, is swimming against the stream and making your life more difficult. Have you ever done that? Have you ever pretended a situation was better than it was because you didn't want to believe that it wasn't as good as you wanted it to be? If you have, it's okay. I've done it a lot. But now I know all I have to do is make sure that my facts are also in line with my feelings, and then I make the choice, and then we win. Thank you for listening. It's good to be back.